Hey Mom, do we have any snacks?
Yeah, we do have snacks, honey. We just have snacks in the bag over there.
Hey Mom, we don't have any snacks. You ate like a Nutri-Grain bar and a fruit snack. Sorry, honey, you're out of luck then.
So, honey, how's your YouTube channel going?
Do a game sometime, honey. What's that game called? Injustice? Yeah, Injustice. You need to do that more, honey. Mom, here's the thing. I don't want to do it, and that's final. Injustice is not coming up. I don't want to play Injustice. I know when it's gonna come out, but I don't want to do it. So, be quiet. What did you just say? Did you just say be quiet? Did you just say be quiet? Stop the car. I'm coming back there. I'm coming back there. I'm coming back there. Don't say that! Sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. It's just, give me that hat. What? Why'd you take my hat? You know better than that. You know how much bills I paid to get you stuff? Like 2,000 or something. I paid bills and you don't pay no rent. You don't make the bills. You're not the parent. Why'd you say be quiet to me, huh? If you're not gonna answer in 5 seconds, get out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get out. Mom, but... Come on, Mom, it was just a joke. Zip it. Take this back. Hey! Mom! What the heck? Bye. Guys, make sure to subscribe. She's crazy. I heard that.